Okay, so now we learned how to insert single values. Okay, single value at a single time. These are this is complete is a single value. Okay, so we learned how to insert the single values inside the table. Now let's have a look at the how to insert multiple values at the same time. So this is how we can insert multiple values inside the table. So this query is same as the previous one, like we just did with the column name and the values. Okay, so what is extra here is this. Okay, so these are the multiple values. So this is the first value, then this will go as a second value, and this is last as the third value. Okay, same here, first value, second value, and this is third value. Okay, so in this we are using the column name, in this we are not using the column name. Okay, so here we are using the user info table. Okay, let me just show you the user info table. This is info. Okay, so this is user info table. So we will go with this first we will going to first we will use the single values. Okay, we will go and implement the single values. So insert into name of the table is user info. Okay, then column name is first name comma last name. Okay, then values, and the values here is abc. Okay, in the single quotes, abc and x y z. Okay, so abc and xyz. Okay, now if I click on enter, it will going to insert into this table. So I can have a look at, select all from table name is user info. Okay, so this is the first value. Okay, so by using this query I only able to insert the first row. Okay, but what if I want to insert multiple rows or multiple values at the same time at the in the first query, also in the same query as itself. Okay, so what I can do, how I can do this, by using this query. Okay, so I'll use this query here, insert into, again name of the table, then column name first name comma last name. Okay, then values. Okay, so here value is let me take another value. I will take abd comma dsa in this single quote. Okay, then comma and the next value. Okay, so next value is, I'm just writing this query in the next line because it will be clear to understand. ghi, then jkl. Okay, then next value is uvw. These values needs to be in the single quote, then last x y z. Okay, these are the three value. Now you can see here there is only one row. After executing this query there will be 4 rows. Okay, so let me just end this query with the semicolon. Okay, okay, so you can see here insert 0 3, here insert 0 1 because it only executed the first value, it only inserted the first value. Here we are inserting the 3 values at a time. Okay, so select all from table name is user info. Okay, so you can see these 3 values and there are now 4 rows. So by this we can insert multiple values inside the table. This query is same as the previous one. In this order of the column name matters. You can describe the table and see the order. The first is first name and the last name is the second one. So this is how I did. This is the first name, this is the second one, this is the last name. Okay, so I'll execute this query again. So in this, insert into user info, okay, and values. Okay, now I will execute the values are q, then a. Okay, you can insert anything, you can insert your name or anything. Okay, then comma, and then second value. Okay, second value is s and d. Okay, now I'll end this query with the semicolon. Okay, now let me just select all from the user info. So this is q, a, s and d. Okay, and insert 2. So it executed the two values, inserted the two values inside this table. So this is how you can implement the multiple values insert query. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.